Set 4. 1. Circle the correct answer to the following. Group A. The research which is used to describe various phenomena is called E. Descriptive research. B. The transferring of information from one person or place to another is known as I. Communication. Circa. How many types of biodiversity are there? E3. D. Which of the following is the SI unit of velocity? E. Meter per second. E. In a practical machine, ma is VRE less than F. Which wave does not require any material medium for its propagation? IV electromagnetic wave. G. Which equipment is used to keep hot liquids hot and cold liquids cold for several hours? E. Thermos flask. H. Which of the following is a basic salt? E. Sodium carbonate. I. Which of the following minerals is used in the energy sector? E. Graphite. J. Which of the given methods are appropriate to remove the hardness of water if the water sample has dissolved calcium chloride and magnesium sulfate? IV by adding washing soda. Group B. Very short answer questions. 2. What is meant by hyphae? Hyphae are the thread-like structures of fungi that help in the absorption of nutrients. 3. Write one difference between maize seed and bean seed. Maize seed is monocotyledonous, whereas bean seed is dicotyledonous. 4. Write any two advantages of asexual reproduction. 1. It allows rapid reproduction. 2. It does not require a mate. 5. Write down the SI unit of frequency. The SI unit of frequency is Hertz Hz. 6. Write any two effects of reverberation. 1. It causes distortion of sound in large halls. 2. It reduces the clarity of speech. 7. What happens when the like poles of magnets are rubbed? The magnets repel each other due to similar magnetic fields. 8. Define molecule. A molecule is the smallest unit of a substance that retains its chemical properties. 9. What is found in the uppermost and lowermost layer of soil? The uppermost layer contains humus and organic matter, while the lowermost layer contains bedrock. Group C. Short answer questions. 10. Why is practical work important in science? Give any two reasons. 1. It helps in better understanding of theoretical concepts. 2. It enhances problem-solving skills by conducting experiments. 11. What is communication technology? Define cloud computing. Communication technology refers to tools and systems used to send and receive information. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services like servers, storage, and software over the internet. 12. Write any two uses of a router. 1. A router is used to direct data traffic on the internet. 2. It connects multiple devices in a local network. 13. Viruses are kept in the borderline of living beings and non-living things. Why? Viruses are considered in the borderline as they have characteristics of both living and non-living things. They are inactive outside a host but become active inside a host cell. 14. What is meant by biodiversity? Write with one example. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life forms in an ecosystem. Example: the Amazon rainforest has a rich biodiversity, with thousands of plant and animal species. 15. Write any two advantages of asexual reproduction. 1. It is a fast method of reproduction. 2. It allows organisms to reproduce without a mate. 16. The density of gold is 19,200 kg per cubic meter and that of water is 1,000 kg per cubic meter. Calculate the relative density. Relative density equals density of gold, density of water. Relative density equals 19,200, 1,000 equals 19.2. 17. If the speed of sound is 340 meters per second and the frequency is 0.1 kilohertz, calculate the wavelength of the sound. Wavelength equals speed of sound frequency. Wavelength equals 340 meters per second, 100 hertz equals 3.4 meters. Group D. Long answer questions. 18. Study the given figure and identify them. A. Artificial intelligence. B. Virtual reality. I write down the name of Fig. A and B. Fig. A is artificial intelligence and Fig. B is virtual reality. E. Write short notes on Fig. A and B. Artificial intelligence (AI) refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. Virtual reality (VR) is an immersive experience where users interact with a computer-generated environment, often through the use of specialized equipment like VR headsets. 19. Draw a figure of a wave showing amplitude and wavelength. B. The depth of a sea is 620 m, and the speed of sound in water is 1500 meters per second. Calculate the time at which the echo is heard after sending the sound waves. Time equals distance, speed. Time equals 2 times 6,200 meters, 1500 meters per second equals 8.26 seconds. 20. Calculate the molecular weight of sodium bicarbonate. Molecular weight of sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO, equals 23 Na plus 1 H plus 12 C plus 48 O equals 84 grams per mole. B. Identify the elements shown in the figure given and write the molecular formula of the compound using these elements. A. Neon, Na. B. Chlorine, Cl. The molecular formula of the compound formed by these elements is NaCl, neon chloride. However, in reality, neon is a noble gas and typically does not form compounds under standard conditions due to its chemical inertness. The question may be hypothetical or incorrect in this context. If it refers to a compound between neon and chlorine, the molecular formula would be represented as NaCl, although it is not a stable or common compound. 21. Name any 4 salts which are used in our daily life. Also, write down their uses. 1. Table salt, sodium chloride, used in cooking and food preservation. 2. Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate, used in bathing to relieve muscle aches. 3. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, used in baking and cleaning. Right pointing arrow 4. Calcium carbonate, used in antacid tablets and is a calcium supplement.